Next, let's close this window and let's open up a new tab and let's ask it if it's connected now. So here, are you connected to AIWilsonator.com? Now, real quick, if I click on this plus tab, if I go over here to connectors, you should see that your website is now connected. So right here, you can see AIWilsonator.com is connected. If you want to turn this off, you can just, uncheck it and that'll turn it off. But let's just see if this is connected. So it says, yes, I've gotten WordPress MCP connection to Wilsonator.ai. So at this point, Claude and your WordPress website are now fully connected. Now there's some very useful things that you can do when Claude is connected to WordPress. It doesn't just help you with just basic things like make a new page. It can really do other things on your WordPress website. So let me give you a few examples. So in this specific case, I want to actually create multiple pages for this specific website, and I want those pages to rank for specific keywords. In this specific example, this is a therapy website, and I want to create other pages that revolve around this design, but I also want to rank for keywords. So for example, best therapist in Los Angeles, best group therapist in Los Angeles. So if you want to create different pages around your initial design and also try to rank for those pages, let me show you how. So the first thing I'll ask it to do is do keyword research based off the actual website and give 3-page examples so I can rank in Google. So essentially, I'm just getting keyword ideas before I create the pages. So it gave us 3 different pages that we can create in order to help our business. So it gave us affordable therapy in Los Angeles, therapy that accepts Medi-Cal in Los Angeles, and online addiction counseling in California. Now, I want Claude to create these pages, but I also want it to carry the same design structure on my website so it doesn't stand out or look AI-ish, right? So here I'll enter this prompt. Create these pages. Make sure to carry the same web design style and structure on the websites. Add a lot of information here to help users find what they need. Give examples, create tables, and make these pages comply with the Google Helpful Content updates. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm sure you've heard about a lot of big websites getting hits, and that's because they're not adding information that's helpful. So I do want to add info on this page that will actually answer the query of whatever the user is searching for. So I'll go ahead now and run this prompt. Okay, and after waiting about, I'd say waited about 15 minutes, and now generated these 3 pages right here. So let's just take a look and see what they created. So I'll go ahead and open up this link. And here's the first one, affordable therapy in Los Angeles. And here it's carrying the design. Really good, I do like this. And this is the benefits of using Novamira, is that it has an MCP for Elementor and other page builders, where it'll actually utilize the elements here and create you a really nice page just like this in a matter of, not like minutes, but 10, 15 minutes, it'll create a few pages. Let's check out the other pages. And here is the Medi-Cal page, and same thing, but we have a really cool table right here. They're comparing different plans, who it covers, a bunch of really useful information. Here we have some cards. We have Medi-Cal coverage. And then here, if you don't have Medi-Cal, they can say you could still qualify. And what's really cool is they also interlink your website with other pages. I mean, this is really useful. And then right here, they have a call to action. And this is utilizing the same design on our homepage. So as you can see, it can learn from the designs on your website and it can apply those on various pages.